Itanya-ini ria kuriukia ruhonge rwa ugendi mwena wa Malindi, anyiti itemi ruhonge-ini ruru ni mambiriirie monanio ma mwanya ma urugi ari njira imwe ya kuguciriria ugendi. Hindi ya monanio macio ene mikawa itiganite ni mahaririirie mashindano ma urugi wa irio mwanya mwanya. Rob kuma mukawa wa Karen Blixen ni umwe wa aria mari monanio-ini maya.
This competition in the second edition, and we make another 2 months another edition for that one, because we think it's important to promote Malindi. Malindi in the coast is very nice, and also the food, also the competitors with me is very good place, Malindi. And also we to cook with the Koroga.
Oho, Edward Aniere wa mukawa Barefoot Beach Camp augite mutaratara uyu ni guteithia kurehe andu hamwe na oho mena itanya ria kuhujia uhoro yo kuri matura matiganite.
We would like to open up Malindi to everybody, local tourism, international tourism, whoever comes to Malindi. I think it's extremely important that Malindi gets back on its feet again, they produce from. I do believe that this will join a lot of people here in Malindi, Watamu, Kilifi, Mombasa, and I'm looking for more people to create food. As a chef, I do believe that the food in this country is the freshest and the best that we can get in Africa.
Mitaratara ino irabangwo niguo kuriukia ruhonge rwa ugendi mwena wa Malindi kuna ni ukoretwo ugomeirwo ni uhaguku wa witeri kumana na itoi cia Al-Shabab. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Wanjeri wa Kariuki.